Hey everybody, Jack Hanks, Public Adjuster, Experience Matters. I got a cool text the other day from my good friend Cal Spoon, and he asked me to speak at his conference coming up, Chicago, Illinois, Mend the Fracture, November 11th and 12th in Trump Plaza, like I said, in downtown Chicago. It took me about 4 seconds to respond. Yes, my friend, I'd be honored. So, Cal, thank you for inviting me. I will be there, talking about Experience Matters, talking about bringing this community of attorneys, adjusters, contractors, roofers, all of us bringing this thing together and being one big, great group, man. That's what it's all about. So, Cal, thank you so much for everything you do for this industry. Thank you for putting this thing on. Thank you for the invite. I'm humbled and honored to be there and speak. Look forward to seeing everybody. Going to have some great people. Stephen Bush is going to be there. Galen Hare is going to be there. Just a bunch of really great people. So look forward to it. Thanks, Cal.